Hello, my name is Vinay Jaraj Barve, and today I'm here to discuss about inheritance in Java. So today's date is 09th of August 2023. So basically, Java it is an important concept which is present in the OOPS, and it has very specific operation that you can perform by using of the inheritance which is present in the Java. So basically, inheritance means that you can acquire all the properties from the parent object. Likely, if you access the properties of the parent child, then you are supposed to using the extend keyword in the class. So basically, it has like uh, there are some ideas that you can use inheritance in the Java. Like you can create the new classes, and after that, whatever the kind of structure which are present in the parent class, that you can access it by using the extend keyword. So basically, why we are using the inheritance in inheritance, because if you take some example, if I take example of the vehicle, so basically vehicle it is in a parent, and it has like parent like two-wheeler, four-wheeler. So it is basically child. So basically, child has acquired all the properties from the vehicle because it is accessed by the vehicle. So basically, this is an example of the inheritance. So there are some terms, and there are some terms which are used in the like inheritance, like class, subclass, superclass, and after that you can say reusability of the code. So first of all, talk about the class. Class is basically it is used, and it is also called as the blueprint, which are used to create a object. And after that, you can say subclass. So subclass it is basically used for like inheritance, inherits the other class. It is called as the subclass. And after that, talking about the superclass. So superclass is also called as the parent class. You can say where the subclass it has features like you can say superclass is the class from the subclass. And after that, talking about the reusability of the code, like you can use this code again and again by using by extending their parent class. That is basically used, and that is basically mean for the reusability of the code. And there are some types which are present in the inheritance. First of all, the single inheritance. Second one is multiple inheritance, and after that, hierarchical inheritance. So first of all, talking about the single inheritance. So like a single inheritance, when a class is inheritance from the another class, like it is known as the single inheritance. And after that, talking about the multiple inheritance. So basically, multiple inheritance is you can say it is in a chain of the inheritance. You can say it is also known as the multiple multi-level inheritance. That you can it has like chain of inheritance. And after that, talking about the hierarchical. So hierarchical basically it is also like known as class is acquire all the properties from the parent. So basically class is also the parent. Like class is making the parent because it has or you can say if you're supposed to be your father. So father gives to birth to the child. So child become father, but father does not become the child. So that is basically use of the hierarchical. So yeah, that is basically inheritance. Thank you.